In this video, we're taking a look at a new camera system from Aosu. This is a dual solar powered camera system. It is powered by the sun and AI, so it's going to be able to track people onto your property. I'm going to try to become a porch pirate and simulate somebody stealing a package. Then we're going to download that footage so you can see what the quality of the video is. So let's begin this review of the Aosu SolarCam T2 Pro. Let's start right at the box and the unboxing. This is what the camera system looks like once you have it all set up. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. Of course, you have that camera system, the solar panel as well, and the mounting bracket for that solar panel. You also get stickers, the quick start guide, but right there in the center, that's the mounting bracket, and that is where we're going to start with at the installation. The thing I like about Aosu as a camera system is just how easy it is to mount the cameras. On the back, you see there's that slot for the mounting bracket, and then once you have it in there, it just clicks in and you're good to go. So it makes the install very DIY friendly. Here I am putting the mounting bracket onto this post, and it's super easy. There's 3 screws. Make sure you have everything level before you put it in, and then you just grab the camera and place it in. Easy as pie. Next is the solar panel, and so you'll notice on the back it does have a little screw there, and that's for this mounting bracket. But this one's a little bit different because it kind of twists off. You see that there's this other bracket, has 2 holes for screws, and that's basically what you would mount above the camera system, preferably, but you can do it in other areas as well. And then it just screws on, and then you just screw on the solar panel, which I'm doing right here above the camera system. Again, if you don't have a good spot for that solar panel, you can move it to a different area. They do provide longer cables, but I'm able to have it all in one, and I'm just attaching the power, and now I'm gonna press the camera system on. And once you know it's on, it's gonna start moving on its own just like that. Now we're ready for the app setup. And the app setup is very, very easy for the SolarCam T2 Pro. Basically have a QR code on the camera itself, and then it asks you how you plan to use the camera. You have the option of using the Aosu base, and that's what I'm going to be using in this case, because in this Aosu base, if you turn it over, what you'll notice is there is a micro SD card. This comes with 32 gigs of storage in a micro SD card. So you're pretty much ready to go, and it's great if you have multiple camera systems to connect to. Now that we have the camera, look at it. It is working. It actually looks like someone is physically moving it in real time, and I know thieves are not going to like that, and it's going to be an excellent deterrent. Here I am walking up to my front door, and in the event that I get a porch pirate, I want to make sure that I be able to see them. So here I am kind of just showing that, going up to the front door and then leaving. And after that, you can notice that the camera on the top is tracking me, and then I got that wide angle view on the bottom. And even when I'm walking onto the sidewalk, I got a nice clear view. I put save to album, and this is what that footage looks like when you download it onto your phone. Say in the event that you caught someone stealing something, you want to post this on social media or give it to the police, this is the kind of footage quality that you're going to get. I love that automated tracking. And it really gives you a lot of peace of mind. Look, I'm just going through the app and scrolling on what kind of activity has been happening through the day. And I can see people walking about. You even see this one person crossing that intersection there. Lots of accidents have happened right there, and I'm really glad that I got a good footage of it. In case something happens, I might be able to help the authorities with that. But you can just see as people are going, it's just acting as a great deterrent for anybody who's thinking about entering my property, maybe stealing a package. You know, for me, having that peace of mind that I can just go into the app and just scroll and see all the different histories and what's been happening. But we're going to have to talk about notification setup, because the last thing you want is notifications every time someone walks by. And that all happens inside the Aosu app. So I'm going to go into settings on the solar camera. And then over there, you're going to see notification settings. You press that, and you have the option to just take notifications right off. But I do want to get some notifications, and that's where they have this intelligent mode, and we're going to pick by event types. So I want intrusions at my yard wall, I want lawn surveillance, and low power. Everything else I really don't need, because it's going to have people walking about. I just want to make sure that I can get those things. You could put it on immediate mode. Say you're traveling and you want to make sure you see everything that's happening on your property, but you can also still enable critical alerts, which I am going to enable, but I'm going to go back to intelligent mode because that's what I want. So folks, if you're looking for a home security system where you don't have to pay a monthly subscription fee, this from Aosu, their SolarCam T2 Pro, is something you want to check out. I love the dual camera view. It's a great deterrent to prevent thieves from entering your property. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, and I'll see you in the next video.